Hello friends, welcome back to my channel King Stock Analysis. This is Kingsley, and in today's episode, we're going to do some analysis of indexes. So before I explain all those things, I hope all your portfolio would have been ended up in red on Friday, and we all know the reason behind it, right? Like due to global shutdown in Microsoft, there was a huge impact created, and it affected stock market as well. All right, so like we all know, this is how the stock market works, and there will be ups and downs, there will be high volatility, and people who survive in this kind of tough situations, they are the one who make good amount of profits. All right, and like I always say, correction is temporary. All right, like, and we have to look after what kind of a profit or what kind of a positive things we are going to get after the correction. That is more important. So with that, now let me kickstart this video. And while I was doing some analysis, I figured out the Nifty IT is gave a breakout already, and in this video we're going to do a technical analysis of Nifty IT stocks as well as Nifty IT Index. Okay, so before we get into the video, again, right, like I always say, I'm not a SEBI registered professional. All my videos are only for educational purpose. So before you invest in any company, please do your own analysis or reach out to your financial advisor. All right, so let's get into our video. First, let me open this Nifty IT chart, Nifty IT Index chart. Okay, so we are in the 1 day chart, and Nifty IT Index is currently trading around 40,000. Okay, so we are in the 1 day. So let me change it to 1 week for a better view. Okay, so we are in the 1 week chart. So the 1 week chart is clearly indicating a cup and handle pattern here. So let me draw a cup and handle here. Sorry, it's not coming clearly. On the cup and the handle. All right, and then it gave a breakout at the stage of 38,459. All right, let's go little bit deeper and understand whether it will go little more higher or not. Right, first, if we look around in Jan 2022, it reached 38,000 point. Okay, from then on it gave a down trend. Okay, I mean, it came down up to 33,000 and it formed a lower low. All right, so little bit of high and again a steep down, okay, of around 26,000. Okay, let me draw a support line here. Okay, so it came down till 26,000, and then some consolidation happened at this place, kind of up and down kind of consolidation. And then let me remove this. Okay, and then it went up to 38,000 again, and there was a steep down in the month of Feb 2024. It went up to 38,000. Okay, and there was a steep down of around 32,000, and from from June 2024 onwards, this stock is going on the upper direction. Okay, every week it formed a huge bullish candle. All right, so let me do some analysis here. Let's see, right, like this Nifty index is now trading around 40,000. All right, and let's see, like, just an analysis, right, like how long this would go, right? What is the expectation for the next level resistance is what I'm predicting here. Okay, let me draw a trend line here. I mean the support line here. Okay, from here it gave a, or from here. Okay, so I'm drawing a resistance line here. So if we look around it, it almost touched the the wicks touched the line. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let me take the arrow mark here. Okay, so let's do it in this way, right? So from here to till, from 31,900 around, okay, 400, sorry, to 38,000 it reached. All right, let me copy and place this arrow mark here. Okay, so as per my analysis, Nifty index may reach, okay, let me change it to 1 month so then you'll be able to see the support line. Okay, so this may reach up to 44,000. Okay, 44 or 45. Okay, that kind of uh, uh, trend I'm seeing here. Okay, after the correction. All right, not immediately, maybe in 2 3 months. Okay, this may reach around 44,000. Let's wait and see. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, as we first, yeah, um, let me change it to 1 day chart. Okay, so the 1 day chart is clearly indicating an upside direction only. Okay, it's around 40,000 and it gave a breakout at 38,400. Okay, so now next thing what we're going to do is, like, as we are seeing that Nifty IT, it is, I mean, Nifty IT Index is at the breakout stage. The next step maybe, right, like some of the good companies in Nifty also gave the breakout. Which are the companies? We'll see one by one. Okay, the first company which we're going to see is TCS. Yes, all right. Okay, I already drew a trend line here. Okay, let me change it to 1 week for your clear understanding. Okay, let me remove this point here, move this trend line. Okay, so if we look at this point again, a curve pattern happened. Okay, so from here it formed a curve and then a kind of a cup and handle pattern only. Okay, so this gave a cup and handle and it gave a breakout. Okay, it is in the breakout stage already. Let me move this. Let me change it to a 1 day chart. Yes, so the 1 day chart. All right, it is already, it gave a breakout at 4,055 rupees, and this stock, um, this is currently trading around 4,300 rupees, right? Like, let me change it to an hour. Okay, so this reached the resistance point of 4,334 rupees, and then it is giving some correction. All right, so you may keep this company in your watch list. Let me change it to 1 week again. Let me try to draw some trend line here to see the target. Okay, whether it already reached or not. Okay, it already reached the first target. How I'm saying this is, let me draw a support line here. Okay, so firstly, the stock gave a breakout at 3,676 rupees, and then it gave a breakout at 4,042 rupees, and now it is in a breakout stage. Okay, it formed a cup and handle pattern and some corrections are happening due to a downfall on Friday, uh, you know Friday, right? All right, so we need to wait until 4,342 rupees as a breakout. All right, Okay, so the next company which we are going to see today is Infosys. Okay, again let me change it to 1 week chart. Okay, so Infosys, there is a kind of a volatile thing we can see here, the chart. All right, it went high and it came down. All right, and here if we check, in November 2023, it gave a breakout at 1395 rupees, and from then on it went up to 1690 rupees. Again there was a steep down. Okay, it came to exact 1300 400 range, and in the month of May 2024, and from June onwards, like it is going in the upper direction only. All right, so recently this gave a breakout at 1670 rupees, and the stock is currently trading around 1790 rupees. Okay, let me change it to 1 week chart, sorry, 1 day chart. Okay, so the 1 day chart is also here, it formed a curve again from this point. We take, it formed a curve, and then it went, and then it gave a breakout at 1670 rupees, and from then on it is going on the upper direction. Sorry, this is currently trading around 1790. All right, so you may keep this company also in your watch list. And the next company which we're going to see today is HCL. HCL Technologies. Okay, again HCL Technologies, it gave a first breakout at 1340 rupees, and the second breakout at 1509 rupees. So this is currently trading around 1590 rupees, right? So what kind of, where this might end up, I mean, like, to what kind of a target we can set for HCL here is, since I already made the support and resistance line, let me draw a arrow. Copy and paste this. Sure. So what we can expect is, this may go up to 1680 rupees. Okay, this is currently trading around 1590 rupees. So HCL have the potential to, touch 1680 rupees. All right, so you may keep this company also in your watch list. And the next company which we are going to see today is, let me try to finish it off quickly, as time, due to time consumption. Next is Wipro. Okay, again I already drew the trend lines, I mean support lines here. So let me change it to a weekly chart. Okay, so Wipro also, right, like if you look around, it formed a curve. Let me draw here. Okay, it went up to 713, and it is currently trading around 557 rupees. So formed a curve here, not a curve, it is also a cup and handle pattern. Okay, and it formed a cup and handle pattern, and then it gave a breakout at which stage? Gave a breakout at 544 rupees. Okay, so, and let me change it to 1 day chart. After 544 rupees breakout, the last four trading session, it is on the upper direction. We may keep this company also in our watch list, right? The next company which we are going to see today is Emphasis. Emphasis Limited. Emphasis again. 1 day chart is a little bit confusing. Let me change it to 1 week. Okay. Again a cup and handle pattern here. Emphasis also. How I'm saying here is, let me draw a cup, a kind of cup and handle. Okay. All right. So this also first it gave a breakout at 2,800 rupees. Okay. And what is the potential for this stock? Okay. How long this would go? All right. The next level resistance is 3,092 rupees. Okay. So how I'm arriving here is like, same like, how I did the arrow mark thing, right? Like in the previous companies, same like a kind of uh, analysis I did. Okay, as per my analysis, I'm just thinking it may reach 3,090 rupees. All right, in next 1 or 2 months. All right, and the next company which we are going to see is, the last company is Coforge. Coforge again, if we check here, it's formed a curve and then it gave a breakout. Okay, from curve it didn't form any kind of a handle pattern here, but instead what happened is it gave a breakout at 5,882 rupees. Okay, from then on it went up to 6,750 rupees and then there was a steep down. Okay, and it came down till 4,300 rupees and again it gave a reversal from 4,700 rupees and it is going on the upper direction. All right, so what is the potential for this stock and what is the next level target we can uh, you know see here is, so let me draw a arrow mark here. This is a 1 week chart. So I'm just copying and pasting this thing here. All right. So the next level target for Coforge is 6,337 rupees. This is how I'll do my analysis. Okay. So um, let me change it to 1 day chart. Okay. All right. So it took a lot of time. Okay. So we may keep Coforge also in our watch list. So with this, I'm completing my video, friends. Okay, and IT index, it is on the positive trend. You may keep all these companies in your watch list and keep it for 1 or 2 months and see. And if you feel some companies are really good and if they are having that potential to go on the upper direction, you may plan your investment accordingly. Okay, so I'm not giving any calls or tips here. All right, I gathered some of the information which I'm sharing it to you. Okay, just a knowledge transfer I'm doing. So before you invest in any company, please do your own analysis or reach out to your financial advisor. Okay, so with this in closing this video, thanks for watching. If you think this video is useful to you, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so then you'll not miss out any of my upcoming videos. Thank you all.